Alright, here's the second half of the quiz. This first one, we know that this is the relationship here, x radical 2. So we're actually going to set these equal to each other and let's solve. So x radical 2 equals 16. So let's divide. These cancel out, so I get x equals 16 radical 2. Here's the problem. We actually can't take this as an answer, so what we're going to do on both sides, on the top and the bottom, which is in a sense like doing both sides, like this is 1. Okay, so it's fair to multiply by 1, just like it's fair in an old equation to do something to both sides of the equation. So the reason we would do this is so the radical disappears here. Okay, we're kind of transforming the numbers. So we end up with this, and we can finally simplify it to that. So that's our answer. Alright, hexagons have 6 sides, and I know 48 divided by 6 then is 8 per side. So that means this little hexagon here would have 8 on every single side. What I'm going to do is blow up the bottom little triangle here. And we've talked about how this is a 30, 60, 90. So this side is the 2x side, this is x, and this is x radical 2. So let's actually plug in and see what we have. We know it's 8 all the way across here, so we know this is 4, and we know this is 4 radical 3, and then we don't need this side, but 4 times 2 is 8. So from a long time ago, we know 1/2 base times height is how we find areas of triangles. So let's find the area of this triangle here. So we've got 1/2, and the base is 8. The height is 4 radical 3, and we know in a hexagon there are 6 of these, 1 per side, so I multiply by 6. When you finish, you should get 96 radical 3 inches squared. Alright, the next problem we have here is a ratio problem, but just real life. So I've got a wall that's 11 feet tall in the problem, with a 4-foot shadow, and a person in the play with a 2-foot shadow. Now right now I could actually tell the person's half, so this better be half. The answer is 5.5. But let's set up the ratio. Cross them all.